I think without further ado, I'd like to introduce our first panelists, which are going to be led by the wonderful, who I've just met before, by the wonderful Mr. Björn Arzt. Please welcome him on stage. Don't worry.
So thank you, everybody. A warm welcome. I'd like to ask my panelists to join me here. Thank you, Laurent. Thank you, Dennis, for making this happen, and thank you for giving us the first slot. I think this was made on intention to make sure that you're all well awake, not to fall asleep on the topic of regulation. A few words on myself. I'm Björn Arzt. I have an 18 years of banking background, serving the banking industry, serving also blockchain since 2011. So in crypto terms, already approaching age of retirement. I have the pleasure to be here with a pan-European panel of experts that I love to discuss regulatory topics on DLT, on blockchain, on cryptocurrencies. The question I asked when Dennis approached me, like, can you speak about regulation? And a question I would like to ask today is, why regulating blockchain or distributed ledger technology or cryptocurrencies at all? Is it necessary because of its immutability, because of its transparency? And if we want to regulate, what type of regulation do we want to see? What is in existence? And having said this, I would like to pass on to Vikram to give us some insight on what's going on the far southwest end of Europe in Gibraltar. Basically, can you give the audience some insights on that, and we take the discussion from there. Process-wise, we have like roughly 30 minutes. I'd love to do a Q&A at the end, if time permitting. If not, you're happily invited to come to us after the panel and have one-on-one discussions with each other. Okay, thank you.